On August 7th, 2025, OpenAI quietly pushed GPT-5 across all versions of ChatGPT, Free, Plus, Pro, Team, everything. It replaced GPT-4 and GPT-4o completely. No press event, no fancy launch trailer, just swapped out. Which raises the obvious question, what actually changed? Is this just GPT-4 with a new name, or is there something fundamentally different? GPT literally stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, basically a model that was trained in advance and can now generate new content. GPT-5 isn't just GPT-4 but smarter. The big change is in how it thinks, not just how much it knows. GPT-4 was basically a single model that tried to do everything at once. GPT-5 is more like a network of models behind the scenes. A fast model for short, simple requests, a deeper reasoning model for complex questions, and an internal router that decides which one to use. You still only see one response, but behind the scenes, GPT-5 is switching models mid-conversation to reason or recall depending on what you ask. GPT-4 was already impressive, but it still had limitations. It could only handle text and images, and even then, could only process 128,000 tokens, which is roughly the equivalent of 80 to 100-page document. GPT-5 effectively doubles that memory window to 256,000 tokens, which means it can stay consistent through much longer conversations, code bases, or documents without forgetting what happened earlier. It's also fully multimodal, not just text and images like GPT-4, but audio and even video, meaning it can analyze a voice clip or a video frame the same way it processes text. The big difference, though, is how it behaves. GPT-4 was essentially a very smart question to answer system. You ask and it responds. GPT-5 is designed to plan and chain multiple steps automatically, so instead of just answering a question, it can break the task into sub-steps, carry them out in order, and then return the final result. That's why the use cases are changing. GPT-4 works well as a chatbot or a single call API, but GPT-5 is being used to build autonomous AI agents and in product workflow that actually execute multi-step actions on their own. Basically, GPT-4 responds, GPT-5 decides and then responds. So users get smarter chat tools, developers get more powerful APIs, and companies can build AI agents that actually finish tasks without humans babysitting them. But it also means attackers now have a much more powerful tool to abuse. Instead of just asking the model to write a phishing email, they can instruct it to find a target, generate a phishing email, extract the response, and then automatically craft the next payload, all chained in a single autonomous prompt. And because GPT-5 can hallucinate, that chain of action can include completely made-up commands, which means the user might end up running a fake command, thinking it came from a trusted AI. And that's literally happening right now, in prompt-based attacks. GPT-5 isn't just a smarter chatbot, it's the point where language models start becoming autonomous systems. And that means the question is no longer, what can GPT-5 do? It's, what will GPT-5 do when the wrong person is asking the questions? Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.